Forget everything you think you know about saving money on car repairs. That easy DIY fix you're planning. It might cost you double, or even destroy your engine. After decades in the business, I've seen simple repairs turn into $4,000 disasters because of one small mistake. Modern cars are complex. One wrong move, and you're not saving money. You're risking a catastrophic bill. Today, I'll reveal the most expensive DIY blunders and how to avoid them. Rev up your engines. Let's make sure your next repair saves you money, not costs you your car. You see a $500 mechanic quote, find the part online for $60 and think, I'll do it myself and pocket the savings. That victory only lasts if you do the job perfectly. Miss a step, and a $60 part can turn into a $3,000 engine repair. DIY only saves money if you have the right knowledge, tools, and experience. Professionals charge for their expertise and warranty. If they mess up, they fix it. If you mess up, you pay. I've seen people ruin engines trying to save $50 on a tune-up or strip an oil pan to save $80. The real cost isn't just the part, it's the tools, your time, and the risk. Before you pick up a wrench, ask yourself, are you saving money or gambling with your car? Sometimes, paying a pro is the best insurance against disaster. Don't let pride blind you to the risks. The next time you think you're outsmarting the system, remember, the true cost of a repair is more than just the part. Be honest about your skills. Sometimes, the smartest move is letting a pro handle the tricky stuff. Don't let your pride write a check your bank account can't cash. Think your old socket set is enough? Think again. Using the wrong or cheap tools is a fast track to disaster. Rounded bolts, snapped fasteners, and hours of frustration. Cheap tools break, strip bolts, and create bigger problems. Invest in quality tools. Good wrenches, sockets, and especially a torque wrench. Modern cars require precision. Every bolt has a specific torque spec for a reason. Over-tighten a spark plug, and you can destroy your engine. Under-tighten a suspension bolt, and you risk your safety. A torque wrench isn't a luxury. It's essential. Look up the spec, set the wrench, and tighten until it clicks. Guesswork leads to expensive mistakes. Don't let a $20 tool save you $200 today and cost you $2,000 tomorrow. Build your tool collection slowly but buy quality. The right tool is the difference between a successful repair and a financial nightmare. Don't gamble, tool up smart. Check engine light comes on. You get a code, buy a part, swap it out, and the problem's still there. That's the diagnostic dead end, guessing instead of diagnosing. A code tells you a symptom, not the cause. Replacing parts blindly wastes money and time. That bad catalytic converter code? It could be a sensor, a leak, or a misfire. Real diagnosis means checking live data, fuel trims, and sensor readings, not just reading a code. Ignoring the root cause can destroy expensive parts, like burning out a new catalytic converter because of an unfixed vacuum leak. A $30 sensor ignored can cause thousands in damage. If you don't have the tools or know-how, pay for a professional diagnosis. Let a pro pinpoint the problem, then decide if you can handle the repair. Don't throw parts at a problem, solve it. Guessing is the most expensive way to fix a car. Diagnose first, repair second. That's how you save money, and your sanity. The little things trip up most DIYers. Skipping prep, like cleaning before opening up your engine, can let dirt destroy your internals. Not cleaning gasket surfaces, you'll chase leaks and risk overheating. The service manual is your Bible. Don't rely on random videos. Follow the exact specs for your car. Ignoring torque specs, bolt sequences, or special instructions leads to cracked parts and endless headaches. Using the wrong fluids is a silent killer. The wrong coolant or transmission fluid can destroy your engine or transmission in no time. Read the manual, check the cap, and use only what's specified. These aren't advanced skills, they're about diligence and respect for the machine. Shortcuts and laziness turn cheap jobs into expensive disasters. Take your time, prep right, and follow the book. Don't let a 10-minute shortcut cost you thousands. The details matter. Respect the process, and your car will reward you. Avoid unforced errors. Do it right the first time. The smartest DIYers know their limits. Research every job, watch multiple videos, read forums, and learn from others' mistakes. If a job requires special tools, pulling the engine, or has a high risk of catastrophic failure, think twice. Some jobs, like timing belts, transmission rebuilds, or anything with airbags, are best left to pros. One mistake can destroy your engine or risk your safety. It's not weakness to call a professional, it's wisdom. Maybe you can do 80% of the work, then pay a pro for the tricky part. That's still saving money and protecting your investment. Know where your skills end and the risks begin. Before you start, assess your tools, patience, and knowledge honestly. Sometimes, the best way to save money is to keep your hands off and let an expert take over. Protect your wallet and your car by knowing when to fold them. That decision can save you thousands. The best tool isn't a wrench, it's your brain. Research, prepare, and know your limits. Every mistake is a lesson, but learning from others is cheaper than learning the hard way. DIY repairs can be rewarding and save you money if you do them right. Take your time, respect the process, and don't be a hero. Your car and your wallet will thank you. Get your hands dirty, the smart way. Share your biggest DIY mistake in the comments, and subscribe for more money-saving car repair tips.